Hello everyone, in this video I will present the formula explanation feature. To launch the interface, open the Chat Copilot task pane. Click on Examples and select Formula Explanation. This will open the interface for the feature. The idea behind this feature is that you can point the Copilot to any cell or range, especially if it contains formulas that you want to understand. The Copilot will break down the values and formulas, explain them in the context of your workbook, and summarize their purpose. Let's demonstrate this with a few examples. Here is a table of names. In cell B11, I have a formula that is slightly complex. It returns amber. I would like to know how this formula works. We enter the cell reference B11 in the interface, and then press Explain it. The Copilot checks the formula and the relevant cells, breaks down the formula, and explains the three functions used: COUNTIF, filter, and unique. It then concludes that the formula returns the names which occur 3 times in the list, which is the case for amber. In this example, I have an advanced multi-line formula that returns an array. I want to understand both the goal of this formula and how it achieves that goal. We enter the range reference of the result, A9 to C19, into this field and then press Explain it. The Copilot reviews the workbook content and explains the formula step by step. It summarizes that the formula transforms a matrix of data into a list format while filtering out unwanted zero values. As you can see, the formula explanation works well with complex formulas. Actually, when you face a new spreadsheet, you can simply give it to the Copilot and let it help you understand it. Assume that we receive this workbook from a colleague and we want to understand what it's about. We enter the range reference A1 to D9 into the field in the interface and press Explain it. The Copilot reviews the values and formulas in the range. It summarizes that the worksheet determines the net present value of a series of cash flows, given the investment and expected returns over time, assessing the profitability of an investment. You can also discuss further with the Copilot. For example, you could ask whether there is any built-in Excel function for this purpose. The Copilot confirms that the NPV function can be used for this. To conclude, whenever you want to understand a range or cell, especially if it contains formulas, you can rely on the formula explanation feature. The feature puts formulas in the context of the workbook, breaks down data dependencies, and aims to provide a clear explanation. It empowers you to work more efficiently and confidently with your data and formulas.